I'm John Selesky. I'm here at the Rescue Jack Training Center in Cortland, New York. We're going to be going over our ratchet strap assemblies that we use with the Rescue Jack Strut systems. Every Rescue Jack Strut comes with a wire hook ratchet strap. In this case, these are 15 foot, 3,330 pound rating, and a 3-to-1 safety factor. In operations, always be mindful of the orientation of the hook for rescuer safety. Another ratchet strap assembly we use is a snap hook ratchet strap. It's also a 3-to-1 safety, 2,000 pound working load limit, and this is a 15-foot working length. Another ratchet strap that we use with the Rescue Jack operations is a 27-foot ratchet strap, grade 70 hooks on it, 3,330 pound rating, 27 feet, 3-to-1 safety factor. Great for working with trucks and buses. Another ratchet strap assembly we're using is the close quarters ratchet strap. 6 inches shorter than a standard ratchet strap. Great for close proximity work. It's still 15 feet in length, 3,330 pound rating, and a 3-to-1 safety factor. So another one of the important considerations when we're working with the straps is once these get under tension, when we go to release, having controlled movement or not excessive movement. So when we open this, what we don't want to have happen is that. How we're going to avoid that dynamic event or that shock load to the system, we're going to open up, we're going to do controlled lowering, pulling back, sliding, one click at a time. Come back. And we can actually lower the vehicle. Communication and terminology is very important on the rescue scene. So on the operation, fully open, our operating range, and fully closed on the ratchet. We don't walk away from this system until this is in a closed position. A question I get asked a lot, how often I should inspect and how often I should replace. After every use of the straps, we should be inspecting them. When we find wear or cuts in our straps, these need to be replaced.